Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the most incredible machine ever created, the human body. We walk around in these things every single day, but most of us have no idea just how mind-bogglingly complex and powerful they are. So, get ready to have your mind blown as we explore some astonishing facts about you. Let's start with the command center, your brain. Have you ever wondered what's going on up there? Well, your brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. To put that into perspective, that's more than 10 times the number of people on Earth. But it's not just the number that's staggering. Each of these tiny neurons is like a mini computer, forming connections with thousands of other neurons. This creates a network so vast and intricate, it's estimated there are more connections in a single human brain than there are stars in our Milky Way galaxy. Every thought you have, every memory you cherish, every movement you make, it's all thanks to this lightning-fast electrochemical symphony happening inside your skull. It's the most sophisticated supercomputer on the planet, and it's all yours. Now let's talk about regeneration. We often think of ourselves as a single, static being, but the truth is, you're constantly rebuilding yourself from the inside out. Your body produces about 25 million new cells every single second. Yes, you heard that right, every second. That means that in the time it took me to say that sentence, your body has created millions of new cells. To give you another crazy comparison, in just 15 seconds, your body produces more new cells than the entire population of Portugal. This constant renewal is what heals our wounds, replaces old skin, and keeps our organs functioning. You are literally not the same person you were a minute ago. It's a continuous, silent process of creation happening within you right now. Okay, how about strength? We think of steel as the gold standard for toughness, right? Well, think again. Let's talk about your skeleton. Human bones are, pound for pound, or weight for weight, about 5 times stronger than steel. A block of bone the size of a matchbox can support up to 9 tons of weight. That's 4 times what a concrete block of the same size could handle. This incredible strength comes from their composite structure, a clever mix of a hard mineral called calcium phosphate and a flexible protein called collagen. This combination makes our bones both rigid enough to support us and flexible enough to absorb impacts without shattering easily. So next time you think of yourself as fragile, remember you have a built-in framework that rivals engineered materials. Let's zoom in even further, down to the very blueprint of life itself, your DNA. Inside almost every one of your trillions of cells is a complete set of your genetic code. This DNA contains all the instructions needed to build and operate your entire body. Now here's the crazy part. If you were to take the DNA from a single cell and stretch it out end to end, it would measure about 2 meters or roughly 6 feet long. That's taller than the average person. But somehow, this incredibly long molecule is packed into a space so tiny it's almost unimaginable, a cell nucleus that's only about 6 micrometers wide. That's like fitting a 25-mile-long thread into a tennis ball. This masterful feat of biological engineering is what allows so much information to be stored so efficiently within every cell. And finally, let's talk about the tireless engine that keeps it all running, your heart. This fist-sized muscle is the unsung hero of your body, beating around 100,000 times a day, every day for your entire life, without ever taking a vacation. Over an average lifetime, the human heart pumps a truly colossal amount of blood. We're talking about enough blood to fill 200 train tank cars. Imagine a train with 200 cars, each filled with liquid. That's the volume of blood your heart will move throughout your life. It tirelessly pushes oxygen and nutrients to every corner of your body, from your brain to the tips of your toes, ensuring every one of those trillions of cells gets what it needs to survive. It's a marvel of endurance and efficiency. So, from the cosmic network in your brain to the microscopic origami of your DNA and the relentless power of your heart, the human body is a universe of wonders. We are walking, talking miracles of biology. It's a reminder to appreciate the incredible vessel we live in and take care of it. What an amazing piece of work we are. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found these facts as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share this with someone who needs a reminder of how amazing they are. See you in the next one.